back road. And then the shallots will be buying from back road today. What more? Port Anderson Road at least.
Port Anderson Road?
Yeah.
No.
You don't care anything about it?
Fish.
Yeah.
Woman.
Yeah. Punta's Paradise.
Yeah man, the thing global you know.
General.
Man, the thing I go on.
So what go on with the fish all day?
Same way, active. Every Thursday, Friday.
Every Thursday, Friday? So that means if we come yesterday, we're doing a business?
Yeah, fully up.
And we need to buy some back road.
Alright. So we have Topless tonight. Tonight, Topless.
She's a,
Topless.
what is a topless? I mean, say, girls that take off them blood, top of them blood?
Yeah man, dance and rock out, skin out and all.
And what time does it start?
Because I hear say loaning can come na Jamaica, come get a good fish. Back.
Fresh fish from out back road.
Yeah man.
Oh, so the type business are going around today? Chano.
Everything fresh around here.
So,
all the girls them fresh.
Chano.
Tell them pretty. They tell them pretty.
Fresh! And this man didn't get, this man didn't get. Come my front high class. Come my front high class. No, yeah, more your front high class. And only call it you want to fish hard. Alright. Alright.
Seafood.
Oh, you mean? We're buying a back road. So you just buy a fish a back road?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You buy a swim around.
Okay, you buy a swim around.
No fish around.
Alright. Declare yourself, brother.
Swim around, yeah.
Declare.
Alright. Everybody take back road to just like you buy pussy or you sell pussy. Back road is not like
A business place.
a business place.
Alright, and we're there to show them to this a business. Because you hard your fish and you see them and you swim around. Yeah. So why you still at the bar? Some people why you enjoy swim around. Me go learn, you know. Why you enjoy your swim around if you can play. The people me didn't see it. I drive past all the time I did to see. Cookies is big and broad. Jano, I say cookies are big. My people, you say cookies pretty. John, I saw cookies are gone. Oh no. Some people.
Dining and dining.
Yeah, so what kind of entertainment you have here?
Okay, I'm planning a Friday event named Dolly House. So we're gonna have topless dancers every Fridays.
Welcome to Portmore, Port Anderson Road, aka Back Road. And then the shallots will be buying from Back Road today. Stay tuned, my people, and we show what we'll be buying today. Traveling Nation, welcome back to Ever Blessed Travels. Content creator uploading this video from St. Catherine, Jamaica, and way in the distance there, persons are hunting for food. Ever Blessed Travels will be walking, and we'll be asking today, the question today I will be asking is, what can I get to buy at Back Road? Yeah, man. And the first question that I'm going to ask today. And I will be taking a Port Anderson Road like this. This is the ocean here. It's a fishing area. You come yourself, my daddy? Everything good?
Everything.
Me a YouTuber, man. Me a walk to man. So you can tell me about Portmore. Port Anderson Road at least.
Port Anderson Road?
Yeah.
No.
You don't care tell me about it?
Fish.
Yeah.
Woman.
Yeah. Business place.
Business place.
Every kind of business.
When you want to get the good fish, you come here.
Yeah.
Just come out the water.
Yeah. Fresh fish.
Fresh fish.
So that are the most important, that are the most sell things at Back Road here?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
And women sell themselves too.
Jano.
Down further.
Okay. Elder said Back Road start at the roundabout and ends at Portmore Harbour Beach. Festive. So team travelers, if you are new here, welcome. And if you are my previous subscriber, thank you so much. So walking through this fishing village here, my people, take a good look. Yes. Straight fish in this area. You go with the alright, yeah, refurbish your shop. Oh yeah. You can't find the lady for that shop there? Alright, So we go walking down this side here. So you can see this shop here was ruined by hurricane Melissa. Yeah man, so we walk vertically go down on the beach. And see how the boat them sit down. You better than daddy. Man has sleep for a long time. Alright, so we'll show the boat them up people. So let us show you how these people survive. They survive by boats. Yeah, so these are the boats that go out in the ocean and catch all the fishes and serve to a lot of people here. Festive Beach. So there you have it, my people. A lot of birds around, flying around. That's what the area set up. So we're walking through. Traveling Nation previously, I'll show you little and Talawa. Hurricane Melissa messed up our place, my people. So I don't know if she Talawa anymore. But anyway, I'll be showing you one of these days. We're walking through. Pick up yourself, daddy. And we'll walk through. Same way. Little to Talawa. Hurricane Melissa. Partner. Now mash up our place totally. So we're walking through. Wow. The traveling nation we're walking through. This is the fishing village of Port Henderson Road. And in the midst of that, we have a church. Yeah. No man, a camera.
I got me see.
You're not a fish. Where is it? Wait. You can't see princess or Whoa, yeah, some pretty fish today. What this one name?
This is
And this one love. How much come for them fish here?
1,500.
I wonder if a fish we should have buy. I wonder if this fish we should have buy.
And you get it sliced and nice, ready for
No, I don't want things slice. I just want things to cook cool as you
You can't hold it in your box, sir.
You can't hold it.
Nice, so they can't hold it.
You can't hold it.
Nice quality.
How time your clothes are?
530.
That's alright, I brown dust.
Yeah.
I become have to buy this one. So that means at this one I go buy a macro today. All
Not the other one.
No, I never buy. Where's the other princess? She said she wanna show me.
Who wanna go on the block?
She. China, come on, my brother. So you can't that do a flag with the princess. Punta's Paradise.
Yeah man, the thing global, you know.
Jano.
Yeah, man, the thing I go on, man.
So what going with the fishing up there?
Same way, active. Every Thursday, Friday.
Every Thursday, Friday? So that means if we come yesterday, we're doing a business?
Yeah, fully active.
And we need to buy something back road.
Alright. Circle Thursday, Friday.
So want to the whole totally? To that Saturday?
We have Topless tonight. Tonight, Topless.
Topless. What is the Topless? That means the girls that take off them blouse, top of them blouse?
Yeah man, dance and rock out, skin out and all.
And what time that start?
8 o'clock.
Cheese and peas. You're not so much of a late man in the bro. What time it start?
8 o'clock.
So I know.
8 p.m.
Yeah. So anyone you want to say anything to my vlog? Yeah, TikTok. Yeah, what you do? You're up on Instagram, what?
Say something, man. Say what? You know what? You today dance on, you know?
You sell it? Where is it? No, but you never do on it when you come back.
I laugh because I'm going to watch YouTube and see the video.
Yeah.
Fire in there, you know, and come have a fish.
And come have a fish?
Yeah.
Tell the world that.
Spread the word.
Yeah.
Because I hear say alone can come na Jamaica, we get a good fish.
Fresh fish from out back road.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so that type business are going around today? Jano.
Everything fresh around here.
So,
all the girls them fresh.
Jano. Back road popular. So you sell fish? Seafood? Then tell me about your business place. Tell me about your business place. Tell me about your business. But show me. You have it on your plan there? Come no man. Come no. Alright, show it for them. Punta's Paradise.
Yeah, man.
Cheese and pea. At this time I hide.
It's all pretty.
Fresh. At this man then catch.
This morning and the goal.
Cheese and pea.
Watch it.
Me can't be
a
come
goal.
here. No, come here. Come my front of the
Be a
class.
goal.
Come my front.
Come on.
Come my front of the class. Come my front of the class. No, yeah. More your front of the class. At this man, you get on them fish. Since evening. Fresh. Then just a come in? Sure, no. So this one is yours? And this one is yours? So if somebody want to, suppose if somebody, you have a lot of persons who know like, in where Jamaica run now. The thing gets so big and global that a lot of persons like to stay home and harder things. Suppose if somebody want to harder some fish from you. Yeah man. Tell.
We have driver who will deliver fish for you.
Alright, so give the number now where somebody can call and get some of them fresh fish. Check up.
My one is 353-53-33.
And
Chica's fish with.
and only call if you want to fish harder. Alright. Alright.
Seafood. Raw seafood.
Raw seafood.
Yeah.
Cheese and peas. So let me see your one now. Because it's one of the side by side. Una sister? Una sister?
In-laws.
In-laws. This fish here.
Yellow tail snapper.
Always, I think I get this one at yeah. Yeah. Channel, what are you closing today?
The soup goes up.
Cheese and peas.
Home time. Come out early on the Sunday.
Oh gosh. Yeah. So you know but they never did know. Wanna watch? So now the fish them where they just stay overnight and go disappear all of a sudden. Yeah man, we are pushing. And we country this, you know. Proud of we country down. So my brother. So you're up at Punta's Paradise to come more? You're up at Punta's Paradise to come more? You're up there to come more?
Yeah, I'm soon go up there right now.
Alright, I'm going to go so and when I pass back,
alright,
check.
Stop you now.
Yeah man,
you can't stop when you're going to look at one nice thing in the bar right now.
Call and tell her if you expect me that means enough so hard. So you have to say you buy fish?
Yeah, we buy fish.
So how much you want to fish you buy today?
Yeah, we don't buy none.
You're not buying none yet?
Selling clothes.
Show me. Listen to me now. I don't stop playing with the business now, man. A business video with this, you know. A business video this. Show me.
Camera shy. We know what we're doing.
Show me where. Show the people and where she has sell. You never. No man. Keep on call you Punta's Paradise.
No, I'm Sheldon, man.
Sheldon.
Yeah.
We camera shy.
Dal.
Dolly baby.
Dali baby.
Dale, buddy.
Yeah. Then hold up some of the things that we are selling, man.
Yeah, man, to shine.
Yeah, show some of the things that we are selling. A business video this.
Yeah, man.
So for the persons who like red. Yes, you want. Yeah.
No, knock up.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, hold them up and make it real. See. Adidas. Hey, you see? You didn't see where they show the mark?
Wait, Mark. Adidas Taekwondo.
Oh, somebody would have get mislead if they don't look good pan that. Alright. Me, I go check out and see what I go on with Topless. I know really that the video is about today, the video is about people who do business.
Yeah, man.
Who are sell? My name Ever Bless Travels.
Alright.
Chico.
Yeah. So check out that to me now.
The phone.
Check out that. Alright, we'll keep walking the princess. Alright. So big up yourself, brother. Alright. Yeah, man. Nice. So we are walk through. Big up yourself, princess. Alright. So we are sure the festiveness will go on at the beach. The fishing village. So we haul the fresh fish them. If you don't believe I made a joke about it, you get the reality of it. Fresh fish. The fish them catch this morning. So when the fish them catch this morning, tell me what kind of. Tell me if them still are them still. Fish them ready. Alright, and we're walking through like this. Portend this road. As we go by, we're learning. We're learning and we're walking through. Yeah man, now we're gonna show Punta's Paradise again. Yeah man. So big up yourself, Pinky. Yeah man, big up yourself, Pinky. Trying to locate you every time I come around, but so Pinky, my people is a video that I did last year. So this video we could call it, so we are update. We are walk around to see what the difference is like last year, 2025 to 2026 this year. Anything change Portmore back road since 2025, my brother?
Yeah, man, what if I changes, man?
What if I changes like what?
From the storm changes.
Yeah?
Storm changes, what if I changes?
So you mean like the water damage a whole thing and people rebuild?
Show out there, mash up, and some of the my fish and live on them, like tear down and gone.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So the fish then gone and deeper water.
Okay.
Understand?
So you man, them have to work hard enough to catch them?
And dive and shoot it.
Alright, some of people this is Jolly.
Yeah.
Popular Jolly. And Morgan's, where the place beside Punta's Paradise name?
Morgan's driving, yeah.
Morgan's Drive-In. Somebody from Morgan's Drive-In comment and say, big up Morgan's Drive-In, we'd appreciate that. What if I do you?
You know, sir, I see him look up charge where I was gonna Punta's Paradise, I film people and play.
We're walking through my people and we're walking with a businessman. He's a chef?
Yeah.
He's a chef at Punta's Paradise. Right. And you said me miss something because me should have come last night when fish are going. But tonight, a topless night with females. Women are well interested in it tonight.
Yeah.
But if you are there, I will be coming to see
Yeah,
you.
man, I'll be there, man.
Alright, so see, this is Morgan's Inn. So I wonder if we can take a look down there.
Yeah, man, you can go.
Let me show people what are going. As I said the video here, it's a business we are show people how to buy from back road.
Okay.
Somebody go and put it the other way, another way. Morgan's Drive-In? Morgan's Inn. So what kind of service you offer at Morgan's Inn?
Fish, restaurant,
Okay, so this is the bar.
yeah.
And you see, and we have a lot of persons inside that have fun. Alright. So my general, I can show you fish where you eat.
Michael,
I can show you fish where you eat. I can show you fish where you eat at Morgan's Inn.
you might want to look black.
Oh, yeah, blogger. Yeah, man, of course, the best of the best. Yeah, man, out of love, man. Anything you want. Yo!
Jesus! I right man this.
You're all over the road, right?
Yes.
Pick up. One place to come, back road, Morgan's. Anything you want, in a food, you get it. Real taste.
Yeah.
Everything, seafood. We don't the pork around here, doing them.
Jesus!
We don't the pork around here.
Yeah.
I look like this, I look like that, but no meat, mostly vegetable.
Yeah.
After love, respect.
Ever bless Travis here.
Back road, you say.
Oh, you mean?
Back road.
We're buying a back road.
Big up,
So you just buy a fish a back road.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Alright.
Boy, I swim around.
Okay. Okay, you buy a swim around.
No fish on.
Alright. Declare yourself, brother.
Swim around, yeah.
Declare.
Alright. Everybody take back road for just like you buy pussy or you sell pussy. Back road is not like
A business place.
a business place.
Alright, and we're there to show them to this a business.
Business place,
Because you hard your fish and you sit down
Yeah, swim
you swim
around.
around.
Brother, swim around.
Alright.
Big up,
So
big
bartender,
up. What their name?
Ever bless travels.
Ever bless.
Travels.
I look here on YouTube.
Cheese and peace, that was loud.
Say no more.
And look for the video that I did before, last year, 2025. I asked the question what makes back road so popular. We get a different thing. Today we are the business
but
places.
I want Morgan's, no more.
Somebody from Morgan said big up Morgan's in that video. I wonder if I did you.
Anything you want. Service proper.
Yeah.
Service proper.
Smile grace. I'm reminding
I
myself
live
the
in New
smile.
York, now New York.
Cheese and peace.
Me there on vacation.
Yes.
That's why I choose that. So.
Jano.
Big up.
I'm reminding myself the smile that make you sit down and enjoy, swim around.
Full joy.
Alright, my brother. Let's keep it moving. Art of love. Some of people show you. Just show you the dining here. I'm gonna show you. So where you have tables. You can, while you enjoy your swim around, you enjoy a bit of the ocean. And some kids in that side is there having fun. So we're journeying out. And we're showing you the festiveness of this place, my people. Same big sign of my people, Morgan's Inn. Seafood. Yeah. Park at your own race. That means lock up the car before you go enjoy fish. Or the general say enjoy swim around. And where them people you are going with you now? Yeah? We don't want to make it out on the street? No. So we're walking, so and we're gonna be checking out Punta's Paradise. And the first time we come there was no music And me sound like there's no music again. That's sweet.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man. It's pretty in there.
So, hello. How you doing today? I'm doing a vlog here. And be a part of and just tell them. All right, without you showing, can you tell us what you have for here at Punta's Paradise? Just talk up a little bit with the person here, me as I not see you. Me as I not see you, just talk up a little bit and then can hear you. Sell out your bar, man. Make people come and buy out everything we're in here, man. Come on, man, we are there.
Come up, man.
Yeah. All right, I'm show you kitchen and watch you go and cool up the thing.
I am also shy, you know.
Yeah. So while you sell off the bar, some people while you enjoy your swim around, they're gonna learn, you know. While you enjoy your swim around, you can play poker box and all them thing there. Sure, no. So this is the remainder of last night, of yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
Because yesterday was the day when fish did a run.
Fish
and tonight a topless. So what party female them over there?
Oh, no, I front.
In the front?
Yeah.
Cheese and peace. Music will kill me around there.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my brother. One thing with you, you know, your boss was proud of you, you know, play to show off.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Such a nation, this is clean kitchen. Clean kitchen. And security. Tight on there, so. Alright. The road that's well open, people. So when you come inside, you want protection and the bartender gone. I film me now, my bartender that gone outside.
Yeah.
Alright, your kitchen around here. So many people. This is the bartender over there at Punta's Paradise. Talk to me, my friend. How is it? How you find the service? What kind of service you have for here at Punta's Paradise?
Good service, good people.
Alright. So how it is, how you just express yourself.
Yes, nice man. Look at different things.
Tell me some of the events that you did.
Topless, Topless,
Okay.
right. Don't have it.
Yes. But today is Saturday, they will be here today.
Yeah, tonight.
Cheese and peace.
I'm stopping to tell.
So simple too. Oh, I'm not so much of a late. I wonder if I can stay back for that.
Maybe.
All right.
Chatty.
Yes. So all right. So you're coming. Somebody in previous videos, the other bartender say if you buy, spend $200 again. If you win, how the machine work again?
Oh, it's not like that.
Oh, that was just a promotion then. Okay. All right. So we walk into my platform, people. There you have it. The bartender for Punta's Paradise. We get the name right?
Yeah.
Check out Topless Travels on YouTube, right? All right. So, where's your name again, Kevin? Sheldon.
Yeah.
I'll be passing back, my brother.
Huh?
I'll be seeing you a little later.
Okay, yeah.
We can put in general. Respect. Yo, I love how you promote your business, my people. So, brother, So this is for Punta's Paradise. This is their holding area. This is where while you're having your meal and you don't want to be a part of the bar, this is where you can come and cool out. I'm going to show you on the upstairs of Punta's Paradise again. Shown it before. I'm kind of tired of it. So when you want a fresh breeze, this is where you come. You come on the upper floor. And you're looking all over. Yeah, man. Nice. Cool breeze blow this side. So we're going down again. Okay, you're like an artist. No, but we have to knock it off here. You know, so you want to put you through the grill to knock it off. Yeah. I mean, ever bless you. So the family with the channel. Yeah. Ever bless you, name. Yeah. So the video here already. Oh, you mean? So how you like it? Yeah. So me I do a follow-up. I do a different version of it. Yeah. We are cover the business question today. And the general said, just come take in some of the Topless. How are you doing?
Yeah, man.
So you go there?
Yeah, man.
You go on the upper floor?
Yeah, man.
All right. Some of people. Hey! The general from the inside going to want to show in camera said, Topless are there tonight. Hey, should I? Why should I not? All right, I'll see what how the thing roll off. So it's just business places. Take a good look. Okay. All right. So far, what kind of service you have for here?
We're just a bar. It's a normal bar. So you can come and chillax, buy some juice. Have girls on a Friday to dance.
You have girls on a Friday?
Yeah, some Fridays.
That dance?
Yeah, that's dance.
Okay. So where they do the dancing? You can show me where they do the dancing?
The lounge there, right there.
Just right there?
Yeah, right there.
So we can just come right here and stand up and just a full me highs inside it.
Oh, well, actually, man, now come and understand. Actually, you have that way. I have to a drink.
Alright, my people, this is their business place. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of the bar. Cool breeze inside here. Yeah, this is inside here, kind of a little bit dark, my people. Alright. So this is lovely. And as I said before, I'm showing business places today. Topless Travels is my name. Topless Travels. Don't forget the name.
Topless Travels?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
So check me out. And this video will be out shortly.
Alright, if
Yeah,
Topless Travels, I'll look for it.
Yeah, man, you're that one popular hence, man.
Alright.
One thing me I regret. You know the one thing.
Alright, what if you're
Sure, no. So make people see bartender, man. Make them see where them come shop. Sure, no.
I see the bartender.
Yes, but I can bet you. This a bar.
Place to be, Sparkles of Fantasy Bar and Lounge, right at Back Road, 198 Portland. Place to be. Come on, have your drink, cold beer, right here.
Are you named Sparkles?
Yeah. The bar named Sparkles.
You named Sparkles?
Simone.
Cheese and peace. My people look on Sparkles. She come out. Some people. Give me one reason why you shouldn't drink your liquor Sparkles and feel nice.
Listen, give me one reason you should.
Why? Me just ask a question. Why anyone should drink anywhere and not at Sparkles? No, you don't answer. It's just a general question. So, think of yourself.
Alright,
Appreciate you for your.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, so general. We're walking through. So how you smell, sir? You like how she pop off our Sparkles? Yo, you mean? Come on. Appreciate you. Alright, my people. This is Sparkles. My people, so we're doing business places today. Yeah, artists. You want to promote what you're doing? So there are business people here. So we can show what you're doing. Yeah, you too, man. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's what my people. So, are you right up a pretty? Are you right up a pretty sign them on the place?
Yeah, but I'm not running up, so I'm not from Cambodia, I just come from shop for this.
Okay. So far, if somebody wants something like this at their place, boy, I like how you lick a seal on the glass there. Gentlemen. Man, sit down for a whole heap of talent, man. So tell somebody where they can find it now, man.
Yeah, man, there are 18 Taverna with no papi.
Oh!
Yeah, papi, no come from.
Gentlemen. So I can have, before you tell me, I can tell you, my mind tells you, I'm man of class, else you wouldn't have back road. Man of class.
Yeah.
Right up the pretty business place there.
Yes, man.
And at the bar is slow. Oh. Yeah, so this is another business place for people and you have music is playing on the inside. So let me talk to the bartender a little bit. So today we are with this bar we are now with the name of the bar?
Shan's Unique Bar and Grill.
Shadis?
Shan's Unique Bar and Grill.
Shan's Unique Bar. And the bartender unique today. So how long since you been working here?
I've been working here for a month now.
1 month. How you love it here?
It's really amazing.
It's a festive place.
Yes, it is, especially on Sundays.
And Sundays?
Yeah.
I mean, check say a Saturday.
Speaking of that, today Saturday, we're having a happy hour starting from 6 to 7 every Saturday starting today.
Wow, so
Yeah.
happy hour. How explain happy hour for me? What do you mean?
What you come in doing, multi-year drive, traffic well built up on the road, you can't deal with that.
Yeah.
Just like, I'm going to sit down and chill somewhere.
Yeah.
Why you not sit down in your car? You just come inside and come have a drink.
General.
Mix liquor all board.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, good prices.
I enjoy your beautiful smile.
Even that too.
Oh, your name?
Always smile.
Oh, your name. 2 minutes. And watch how you sketch out the back road girl, yeah?
Oh.
General. So my people, you see where we start? Start and sit down. This is a naked talent, this, If I sit down and chase you can draw me?
Yeah, yes, young way, man.
Draw me same way?
Yeah.
Give somebody one number where they can reach out to you, man.
Yeah, man. A 4279702.
Take time with it.
Okay, so it's 876.
Yes.
427
Yeah.
9702.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Jano.
And a Jimmy artist that,
Jimmy artist.
Yeah.
And the artist is a paint.
Yes, and the artist are paint.
Jano. What people?
Yeah,
Come
man.
on, get some of them work, man I work.
Yeah.
You come up town,
Yeah.
up a papi.
Yeah.
Man I works in the up a papi.
Yeah.
Yeah, up sir.
Yeah.
Nah,
The people might hear them, but they don't see you.
Most of them.
If all of who you talk to them, they don't see you around the area.
Alright.
You want them see you? They don't want them see you. Alright, my people. So, you see them enjoy the liquor and the glass, are nice. Some of people, check out the painter. Painter, the thing me call you personally, you know. I want to sit down and you draw me one little place. Alright, ever blessed travels on my chest.
Ever blessed.
Travels.
Oh, ever blessed travels.
Yeah, man. I might think everything, every platform, ever blessed travels. So check that out and leave a comment and put the phone number in there. Alright. So big up yourself. Alright. So some of people that are new business. You know. Seashell bar. Yeah, and restaurant. Inside there. Wow. Big up. Oh, you mean? Everything level.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, right out. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So the place festive. All the time I come, I always feel like I don't use up enough time to cover the whole place. I think I always come too late, and then always in a hurry to complete this video. But that's jewel for you, my people. Alright. So I'll be walking to check with that general there, riding his bicycle up there. Showcase his place. And right here is Prentice. Yeah. So if you want to get your seafood at Prentice, call Prentice. And tell Prentice ever blessed travels. Send on to come do shopping. Bye. So what you sell, Prentice? Yeah. Prentice, what you sell? What persons can come and buy from you? Alright. I'll be checking with that general out there and him tell me where him sell and tell me how you can buy from back road. Whatever blessed travels will be buying today. A fish? A swim around? Business places. Yes. So no matter how small them look, my people, they're doing business. Yeah. First events. Channel. This guy here is playing games. He's kicking stuff inside of the road and giving and allow the vehicles to drive on them. He like the sounds that he make. My man telling me say you like the sound where it make after the car drive on it. And that a go on? Me say my man tell me say you like the sound when the car wheels run on it. Alright. Eh? It sound like Calypso. Oh, it didn't sound like Calypso.
Plus when them flat out, can't let them turn them.
Chano, my people hear that. Yeah. Where you are? You're an artist? You're an artist? Yeah, you like sounds? You like sounds? Mine car on you. Big up yourself. Blessings. Come on, people, that gentleman there, that youngster there, he's kicking bottles and cans. They've been off the street just in order for the cars run over it. He says he made the sound of the Calypso sound, so he continues to do it down there. Alright, so we're taking on the street. And we're taking on the street without fear. And this year, 2026, outside like we're homeless. No joke. A lot of business places. Now I'm going to approach all of them. I think I will only want to approach the bars. I don't think I want to approach the guest houses. A majority of the ones that I'm passing, not stopping my people, they are not bars. They are guest houses. And today's video, I don't think I have much interest in the guest houses because I might just show someone what steal something. there's a bar too. Should have checked that one out. But anyway, we're going on. We're going to check the general who ride the bicycle. He's waiting. I'm waiting for me to showcase his place. Pick up yourself, general. Alright. So this one, Traveling Nation, is a restaurant as well. Music I kick inside there. I'm just afraid of music, my people. When I hear music, I run away. Yeah, man. Big truck! Big truck on back road. Captain Iron Nation, big up yourself. Big up your big truck vice. Your big truck vibe. Jano. Carry. Dive on the sleeper. No doubt. Everything I have around here. Jano. And this walk is a very interesting one. Looking forward to see the general I was riding by the bicycle to showcase his place. But this one is a long one. No joke. Some more people in the comment, tell me, should I stop? Should I return to Punta's Paradise to see some of the topless ladies? Tell me the name of the place. You don't know the name of the place? I'm not sure of the names, mommy. I'm just wonders. Just take a look at time, go down by the just look further down. I'm not because you're coming from that and you didn't see it. Just take a look at time. Just take a look at time. Let's take a look at that. I'm a YouTuber going by the name Everbless Travels. You can check out the vlogs, yeah?
What is it?
I'm a YouTuber by the name Everbless Travels. You can check out Travels. Yeah, what's your name? Yeah, man. Go. Respect. Yeah, take a look at that, man. But careful of the road. Alright, my people, there you have it. These are those persons are searching. Somebody give them a direction so if you look for the bamboo place. I don't know. I don't know where they're looking for because I don't remember that bamboo place. Bamboo. Nothing. I Everbless don't think the person that give those persons the direction give them a good direction. Then should I call the name of the place or identify a place with name close to that place? Me right or am I wrong, me Traveling Nation? Yeah. I think me right. Yeah. You're giving a direction, call the name of a place. Some people, new businesses there, and some people up on the upper floor is up in front there. So as I said before, my people, in this video, I'm showing the business places in back road and showing you them so that you can take a good look and make a choice as to where you want to stop and have a meal, where you want to buy something from back road. Yeah. New business again. That one is newly renovated. It's a long time business place, but they are renovating that one. This one again is a new one. This one comes with a whole heap of style. They use a lot of containers and to channel a quick one. This one, lunch. What's it here? This one again, my people, is a new one again. Wow. Pirate Ship. This place is called Pirate Ship. I know. Festive. Back road. So where is that link for that? There's a farm there. So this here is another new business again. What do you right there? It's another new business again. You got everything alright? Oh, it's a car wash. Oh, it's a car wash. That one is a car wash, my people. This. Wow, this is another new business again? Another new business again. Wow. Oh. Festive. This gentleman is right far. Jano. Some people, if you wanna see what I'm talking about when I do my previous video here in 2025, tell me. This car mart wasn't here. Yeah? Yeah. The auto shop, they sell the cars. They also have a nice Subaru inside there. They have Hondas. Yeah, new business. Check out the business place. This is another seafood and restaurant. Seafood restaurant here. Oh, nice, festive. Some people see. You see a back road festive. You pick, choose, and refuse in this place. And right now in center camera, it's a big truck. A back road. No joke. I'm walking. Showing the festiveness of this place. Wow. Take a look at this building here. Wow. Festive. And this building done all the way to the back. And look at the competition that is coming up right here. Jano, big. Yeah. So you can see the intention of this place. Wanting to match this one. Yeah. Alright. Can I come up here? Okay, don't go in. Check out this bar here. Check out this bar. Hi, how are you doing today? I'm a YouTuber. I'm showcasing business places. So what you do here? Okay. So what do you do here? Shoot a bartender? So you can tell me something about your bar. Tell me something about your bar.
No, a video. No, sir.
No, but promote your place, man. No fear. Have no fear.
Please.
Have no fear, man. Promote your place, baby love. Tell persons where they can come and shop and have the best drink. Alright, let me show you bar. Let me show you inside your bar. Wow. So you have one of the cutest bar inside of you are one of the cutest bar for food is around your hide. Jono, how people take out the ceiling? Wow. Jono. So what you do at the back there? You have seriously? I didn't know that. Wow. Nice. How people? Nice. Very nice. So tell me the name of your bar, please. No, tell me the name of the bar. Eh?
Okay.
Oh! Oh! So this restaurant is where?
cookies.
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 You know some hear about cookies and me pass the same time. Thank you Jesus for this one.
Yeah.
Cookies. So what cookies offer?
Huh?
What cookies offer?
What is this offer?
What do you offer at this area? Seafood?
Everything.
Okay.
Everything. Deal with everything. Pork, chicken, pork.
Okay, look at okay. So this is the here.
Fish, yeah, man.
Yeah, nice clean here.
Nice clean here.
Yeah.
Nice place.
Yeah, so we want to say hi.
Come say hi. Hello.
Some people, this is the restaurant. This is the restaurant of cookies. So we inside the kitchen of cookies. I will show you in a nice clean kitchen. Some people at back road, you can get food.
Yeah, everything.
Every food cook.
Yeah,
I cook it.
chef in the kitchen.
Yeah, I budget.
Yeah, I got it.
So what you have on the menu today?
We have goat, pork, turkey neck, chicken.
How much are I call for?
Yeah?
How much are I call for?
900 for the long box.
900 the long one. Oh. My people, I'm gonna be buying at cookies. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna buy, but I'm gonna buy from cookies today. So stay tuned. Should I buy a heat? No, consume. Should I buy it from back road? Cookies. Traveling Nation. We're outside.
Yeah, man.
Comfort is my order today.
Yeah.
Big box.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me go see if you deserve the name Top Chef today. So what the man name?
Red.
Red.
And just start the red.
That Red are the Top Chef, the cookies.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Me want to take a little walk and come back. Don't share it. All right. Whoa. But I didn't see there's a entrance right here. China. You know something like that? Yeah, man. Some people. This is. But they have a cash party here, sir. Well, so you have, the bars, the entrance is different. Yeah. But I didn't see the name. Okay. Alright. Nice. Some people, this is cookies. The people didn't see it. I drive fast all the time, I didn't see it. Cookies is big and broad. You know, I say please, I say cookies is big. Turn. How people take a good look. Whoa, let me can go inside. Let me take a good look, my people. My people, you see cookies pretty. Turn. Oh no. Now I am learning. This is the drive-through to the back here. I saw cookies are going. Oh no. Some people very well. This here is kind of dark. But they use the light to guide you. And oh my world, my goodness. Take a good look at the back here. Channel people. I didn't know around here was so big. Channel people, take a good look at cookies. Okay. Speaking of people can continue with construction. No joke. So this is a bit of the ocean here for you people here in Hotel Road, Back Road. Yeah man, the ocean is right here. So we're giving a little bit of everything as to what is here in Back Road. Yeah man, festive place. Really love it here. And my people, if any one of you is not pleased with this video and want a rewalk where I finish walk there, I'll be closing off this video in this area. So there's another stretch tour from this spot of ground to the former Harbour Beach. Please leave me in the comment, my people, if you would like to see me finish this stretch here. What's traveling nation, as I told you, David. So this is another nice bar here in Back Road. This one is called skin bar. Really would like to know why they call this bar skin. What's inside here, sorry? It's beautiful and lighty, full of lights. Take a good look. Yes. Why they call it bar skin bar? You mind if you say why they call it bar skin bar? Why they call it bar skin bar? Okay. Some people, the person. Alright. This one name. Thousand Nation, there we are. Another business place. And another wonderful bartender. Nice place. Wow. Fiesta. Welcome to Fiesta Restaurant. Nice settings here. Have a nice pool table here. Some of the people, as we say, we're showing all the business places that are here in Port Henderson Road, aka Back Road. Yeah. So we just show the festivals of this place. So we have a bar, and this is so today we are with.
I'm Dai, otherwise known as Shelly.
Yes.
I opened this bar since Monday gone.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a nice little spot. Domino, pool, gambling. The kitchen soon to be open again.
Yes.
So everyone can come out, come sit, have a drink, eat, have fun.
And the name of the bar is?
It's Fiesta Restaurant and Bar.
Fiesta. I like the name.
Fiesta. It's a nice little spot, nice little areas on the main of Back Road. Yeah. Nice. Cozy setting.
Yeah. Some people.
Yeah.
Take a good look. I want to show you everything. Very nice place. Whoa, this is a dining area for the kitchen. When the kitchen is over, it's cooking.
Yeah,
Nice.
all the nice husband and wife, the couple
Yes.
can sit and dine. If they don't want to eat, they can sit and have a drink here.
Jano.
Or if they want to look at my pretty face, they
Jesus, face like me and the world I look funny now.
Yeah, you can come sit right here and look at my pretty face and have some nice little drinks.
Jano.
Yeah.
Jano, really.
Wining and dining.
Yeah, so what kind of entertainment you have here?
Okay, I'm planning a Friday event named Dolly House. So we're gonna have topless dancers every Fridays.
Yeah, starting when?
We haven't have a date yet, but soon to be though. In what we in now?
January 24.
Probably in March we start it.
Okay.
In March we start it. Dolly House Fridays.
Yes.
So you can see the topless I go on them head top and you know what? I go on with them look at excitement and we're gonna have look at Sunday vibes too, you know. All of the elders them that like the retro music.
Yes.
Yeah, so them can come sit down, drink and rock to for them type of song. Yeah, so we're not catering for dancehall people alone, we're catering for soul, old age, retro, you name it. So we're catering for every age group.
Your bar is awesome.
Thank you.
And I really like the way you decide to talk to everybody.
A lot of entertainment is gonna be happening here.
So come on, come hard.
Come play some pool, domino, jump up to 6.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you play domino as well?
Of course I play. We can't drop only for 6 right now. Yeah.
So come on people, take a good look.
It's a nice place.
Yeah.
Nice place.
Yeah. So my people, this is domino.
Yeah.
This is where you're showing off this place. Nice. Really like the setting.
Very nice place.
And you can play poker if you want. Yeah, you can drink a liquor and hang on by your partner like that.
Nice pool table for all of the pool lovers.
So step out here for them, they see who are talking about for you're full of bowling by energy.
Yeah.
Jamie.
Come look at my pretty face.
Yeah. Jamie, this bartender here.
Nice.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for interviewing this nice little lounge restaurant bar Fiesta. Fiesta. Hey! To subscribe and share Forever Blessed Travis on YouTube, right?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna subscribe right now. So do it. Ever Blessed Travis on YouTube right now.
Okay. And some of people here, you have it from the beauty of this place. So, take a good look. Wow, nice. And they are adjoined with cookies. So they'll be competing with cookies. Beautiful place. Beautiful place, my people. So for all the persons who, if it's in the day or in the night, the time you're passing through back road, this is the place. I'm gonna welcome you again. Welcome. No joke. No joke. Give your full support, my people. Give your full support here. Nice pool table here again. Nice. The traveling nation, there you have it. Fiesta. Bar and restaurant. And Nevertheless Travels. Just have a drink. And this video is sponsored by
Die Fiesta Restaurant and Bar. Hope I see you all soon. Mwah.
Alright, so there you have it, Traveling Nation. This video will come to an end. From Fiesta Bar and Grill, signing out for now. See you all in the next vlog. Please remember, my people, like, share and subscribe. Leave a sweet comment for Nevertheless Travels. Tell me what you think about this bar and tell me when you'll be visiting. See you all soon.